Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we're going over some of our favorite patio furniture on Amazon. You guys, this set is beautiful. It's from XIZZI. I love that they come in so many different colors, bright, beautiful colors, and all of their fabrics are UV resistant. They are waterproof and they hold up over time. They are going to be just as gorgeous years down the road as they are when you get them. They also, the pillows are washable, which is just amazing. That's so great to have. The pieces of furniture, the wicker is super durable, and it's something that you put together and you don't have to worry about it. These are all materials that are going to hold up over time. They are waterproof, they are resistant to breaking down, rotting, rusting, all of that stuff, not going to be an issue. This is just going to last and be durable and be beautiful and be a gorgeous addition to your patio, your back porch, your lanai, wherever. This is just going to be an amazing place to relax with your friends, to get together with your family. It is ultra comfortable. I love that the ottomans have cushions on them as well. So there's just so many different options to kind of put this all together and move it around for the maximum amount of comfort and community. This is just a beautiful set, and like again I said, it comes in several different colors, and there are additional chairs you can get. They've got a lot of great furniture. They are really high quality and they have great customer service. They're gonna stand by all of their products, so you guys can buy with confidence. Always buy with confidence on Amazon. They have that amazing 30-day guarantee, A to Z. You guys, Amazon's gonna take care of you, so go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be really happy that you did.